The Pipishell PILF3 full-motion TV mount offers a sturdy steel construction that feels reassuringly solid when supporting larger flat or curved televisions. Its wide compatibility range works well for medium to very large screens and common VESA patterns, making it a flexible choice if you upgrade televisions over time. The mount's full-motion design with generous swivel, tilt, and leveling adjustments makes it easy to dial in a comfortable viewing angle and cut down on glare. Being able to extend the television outward for better access to ports and then tuck it back close to the wall helps keep the room looking clean and uncluttered. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, thanks to the clear template, labeled hardware, and support for standard wood studs as well as solid walls. Overall, this mount balances robust safety features with smooth movement, delivering a dependable and versatile setup for a wide range of living spaces.